Good morning, friends. Today I read out the poem Oh, What's That Sound by W.H. Auden. For a long time, that's my favorite poem about war. Oh, what is that sound? Why so thrill the ear? Down in the valley, drumming, drumming. Only the scarlet soldiers, dear, the soldiers coming. Oh, what is that light I see flashing so clear over the distance brightly, brightly? Only the sun on their weapons dear as they step lightly. Oh, what are they doing with all that gear? What are they doing this morning? Only their usual maneuvers dear, or perhaps a warning. Oh, why have they left the road down there? Why are they suddenly wheeling? Perhaps a change in their orders, dear. Why are you kneeling? Oh, haven't they stopped for the doctor's care? Haven't they reined their horses? Why, they are none of them wounded, dear, none of these forces. Oh, is it the parson they want with white hair? Is it the parson? Is it? No, they are passing this gateway, dear, without a visit. Oh, it must be the farmer that lives so near. It must be the farmer so cunning, so cunning. They have passed the farmyard already, dear, and now they are running. Oh, where are you going? Stay with me here. Who are the oaths you swore deceiving? No, I promise to love you, dear, but I must be leaving. Oh, it's broken the lock and splintered the door. Oh, it's the gate where they're turning. Their boots are heavy on the floor and their eyes are burning. Thank you.